Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Stephanie and I'm blind and I do not have a guide dog, but I do have this. It's the white cane that you're looking at. And so I do use the white cane. And this little girl right here is Baby. She is brown and she has white paws with a white belly and chest. And she's currently gray-headed because she's 15 years old. Her favorite things are scratches on her sides, scratches on her belly, scratches on her chest, dog treats, and sleeping. Her favoriteest thing to do is nap. I've had her since she was a little puppy. She was kind of a rescue. And I love her to bits. So join me and Baby as we show you what it's like living as a blind person. Okay, fine, so it's just me, but Baby's tagging along. Sometimes. Come on, you know you want to. It'll be fun, right? Here's Simba. He's laying in bed asleep. Well, my bed. We are getting a new refrigerator because our old one died. And so it's being delivered right now. And we had to throw away some food because the refrigerator, even though it was running warm. So we lost some food. Hopefully you all could see Simba in that video clip. He's kind of in a weird place to be filmed, but if the sun were out, it would have been shining right on him. So hopefully y'all could see him. Here is your daily dose of dog. She's sleeping. And she's been outside for a lot of the day, like a lot of the day, because it was like 60 something degrees, and so she was outside, and yeah, that's pretty much it. She spent the day outside in the sun. Well, I don't know necessarily that it was sunny, but it was definitely warmer, so she stayed outside a lot. It has just now started to rain. They said it was gonna start raining later on tonight, and they were right, it is. And the temperature is also dropping. So, yay, I guess it's still winter, right? It's still winter. It's supposed to be cold because it's winter. I can't wait for summer though. I prefer the heat and sunshine over cold and snow. Although I do like snow, which is really weird because I don't like cold weather. It is after midnight, so I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. I hope you like this video enough to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're brand new. Ring that notification bell. Make sure it's set to all notifications. Leave a comment if you have something to say. Like my Facebook page and follow me on Twitter. Both of these are Steffi2010. They can be found on my YouTube page below the About section. And they can also be found down in the description below. Also down in the description below there's a third link. And if you click on that, you can transcribe or add closed captions to any of or all of my videos. You can do as many as you want. So if you know a language other than English, I would really appreciate it because I don't. And I'm sure others will appreciate it as well. And if you do that, thank you so much for helping me out. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.